we will be covering the topic antibiotics. What are antibiotics and how do they differ from antimicrobial agents? Antibiotics are secondary metabolites of microorganisms that kill or inhibit the growth of microorganisms in very small doses without serious toxicity to the host cells. On the other hand, antimicrobial agents are synthetic compounds unrelated to the naturally occurring antibiotics, but they also inhibit the growth of microorganisms. The discovery of penicillins in the 1950s revolutionized the treatment of microbial infections. Many of us have used penicillins at some time or other for our infections. Many of us owe our lives today to the antibiotics. We will now look at classification of antibiotics. Antibiotics can be classified in two ways. The first is based on their mechanism of action, and second, based on their structure. We will adopt the second method of classification of antibiotics based on structure. The first class is the beta-lactam antibiotics. These contain a 4-membered cyclic amide structure. These are called as lactams. You would recall cyclic esters are called as lactones. Cyclic amides are produced when within the same molecule we have a carboxylic group and an amino group that can react to produce the amide functionality. Lactones are produced when within the same structure we have a hydroxy group and a carboxylic group. They're called beta-lactams because this carbon atom is referred to as the alpha carbon atom, and the second carbon atom is called the beta carbon atom, which contains the amino group. That is why they are called as beta-lactam antibiotics. There are two important members of the beta-lactam antibiotics. One, penicillins, and two, cephalosporins. The other members, which are called as carbapenems and monobactams, will be also discussed later on. First, we will look at the penicillins. The penicillins are characterized by a beta-lactam ring fused to a thiazolidine ring. This is thiazole and this is thiazolidine. So penicillins have a bond which is common to the beta-lactam ring and to the thiazolidine ring as indicated here.